divisible by 4 if the last two digits form a number that is divisible by 4. So, definitely, iisipin nyo dito yung mga multiples ng 4, like 4, 8, 12, 16. So, kung ang mga numbers na yon ay divisible or ang mga numbers na yon ay nakita nyo sa dalawang or sa dulo ng number, then this is basically divisible by 4. Let's say, for example, we have 216. The last two digits, so you have to look at the last two digits. So, it's gonna be 1 and 6 here. And it is actually 16 when you combine. So, 1 and 6, when you like a pair, like that. So, 16. So, basically, 16 is a multiple of 4 or divisible by 4. Pwede din natin ilagay dito multiples, or multiples of 4. So, 16 is a multiple of 4 or divisible by 4 or can be divided by 4. So, definitely,